McLaren is updating its supercar lineup. It started with the entry-level Artura, and now it extends to its top series production model, which gets the name 750S. Located behind the driver in this mid-engine supercar will be an updated version of the M840T 4.0-liter turbo V8 that increases output to 740 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque, up from 710 horsepower and 568 lb-ft. The improvements come by way of more boost, twin fuel pumps, lighter pistons, and a new engine management system. A new center exit exhaust is 4.9 pounds lighter than the outgoing version, and new engine mounts are tuned to enhance engagement during startup and performance driving and improve comfort when cruising. McLaren says the 750S will accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.7 seconds, 0 to 124 miles per hour in 7.2 seconds, 7.3 seconds for the Spider, 0 to 186 miles per hour in 19.8 seconds, 20.4 seconds for the Spider, and cover the quarter mile in 10.1 seconds, 10.3 seconds for the Spider. Both body styles will also top out at 206 miles per hour. A 7-speed dual-clutch transmission with shorter gear ratios, quicker shifts, and rev limit downshifts helps make the car faster, as does a 15% shorter final drive ratio. Another reason is lighter weight. McLaren says it cut about 66 pounds out of the car versus the 720S, and it weighs in with a curb weight of 3,062 pounds for the coupe and 3,170 pounds for the Spider. That makes it the brand's lightest series production car. McLaren also offers more performance-focused models that could weigh less. The 750S uses the brand's carbon fiber tub as the basic structure. It's called Monocage II for the coupe and Monocage II-S for the Spider, and there is no difference in structural rigidity between the cars. The Spider has a power hard top that takes 11 seconds to go up or down and can be controlled at speeds up to 31 miles per hour.